Hi guys, welcome to Reading with Kiki. Today we're reading Rosita's Easter on Sesame Street. I see Big Bird and Cookie Monster, Elmo, Rosita, Zoe, and Grover. Let's begin. Birds are cheeping in the trees and flowers are peeking out in a rainbow of colors, yellow, lavender, and pink. It's spring on Sesame Street. In the shops are lots of shiny new shoes, fluffy bunnies, and Easter baskets. At Elmo's house, little monsters are decorating Easter eggs. Miren, look, said Rosita. My egg has a special message. Miren, reports Elmo, holding up his own creation. Look, Elmo can write Elmo's name. My dance teacher will love this, said Zoe proudly. Oh, baby bluebirds are tottering out of their nest for the first time. Oh, hi, Rosita, says Big Bird. Isn't this a beautiful day for the Easter picnic? Look, we're bringing marshmallow chicks. Pollitos! What sweet little yellow chickies, giggles Rosita. In Ernie's window box, the Twiddlebugs are having a jelly bean hunt. You make springtime so much fun, sings Rosita. Jelly beans, I'm awfully fond of you, croons Ernie. Just outside the bakery, Rosita meets Baby Bear carrying Easter braided bread. Isn't this incredible? Said Baby Bear. Awesome, replies Abby Cadabby. It's magical. It's not exactly magic, Abby, explains Baby Bear. The baker made it. Que lindo! Very pretty, says Rosita. In his trash can on Sesame Street, Oscar the Grouch is collecting stinky treats for the Easter picnic. You're bringing rotten eggs, asked Rosita. Eso es repugnante. That's disgusting. Exactly, Furface, declares Oscar. The rottener the better. And let's hope it rains.